Good morning, children. Let us discuss the exercises of Chapter 7, Changing Trends in Occupation. We will start with the objective questions. Something to know. Question A. Take the correct option. 1. The opportunities of employment in rural areas have Option A. Increased, Option B. Decreased, Option C. Disappeared. Here option B is correct. Decreased. The opportunities of employment in rural areas have decreased, so people from the rural areas keep migrating to the cities and towns. 2. Scarcity of milk developed due to Option A. Low production of milk, Option B. Increased population, Option C. Decrease in demand. Here option A is correct. Scarcity of milk developed due to low production of milk. 3. The White Revolution is related to Option A. Food grain, Option B. Fisheries, Option C. Dairy farming. Option C. Dairy farming is correct, as White Revolution is related to dairy farming. 4. An important aspect of changing trends in occupation is Option A. Participation of women, Option B. Gender discrimination, Option C. Industrialization. Here option A is correct. An important aspect of changing trends in occupation is participation of women. Question B. Fill in the blanks. Using the words given in the help box, we have to complete the fill-ups. 1. The use of machines in agriculture brought a great change in occupations. 2. Dr. Kurian created a national milk grade that linked all milk producers with consumers. 3. Many women suffer due to unequal treatment, known as gender discrimination. 4. White Revolution involved many professionals and non-professionals. 5. A tailor requires skill to stitch garments. Question C. State whether true or false. 1. A blacksmith supplies tools to the farmer. True. 2. Villages are dependent on agricultural or non-agricultural activities. True. 3. Low quality feed given to milk-giving animals created scarcity of milk. True. 4. Tube-well diggers are in great demand in villages. True. 5. A rickshaw puller is a professional. This statement is false because a rickshaw puller is a non-professional. Well, children, before we discuss the question answers, let me tell you one thing. There are two types of books available in the market, new edition and the old edition. Also, a few changes have been made in the exercises. So, we will discuss the question answers of both books. Now, let's start. Question D. Answer briefly. Question 1. Mention two non-agricultural occupations of rural areas. Two non-agricultural occupations of rural areas are pottery and weaving. Pottery is the art or skill of making dishes, pots, etc. from clay. And weaving is a method of forming fabric by interlacing threads. Question 2. Name 2 occupations that are common in urban areas. 2 occupations that are common in urban areas are teaching and engineering. Question 3. Give one reason of low production of milk. Poor quality feed given to milk-giving animals causes low production of milk. Question 4. Mention 3 jobs that do not require any educational qualifications. 3 jobs that do not require any educational qualifications are the jobs of sweepers, porters and labourers. Sweepers are the people who clean the surface and areas around us. Porters are the coolies seen at railway stations, and labourers are the workers seen at construction sites. Or question 4. Name 4 milk products that you like. 4 milk products that I like are curd, ghee, lassi and ice cream. You can also mention the names of milk products that you like. Question 5. Do you consider any work inferior? Give one reason. No, I do not consider any work inferior because all works are important and essential for us. Question E. Answer the following questions. Question 1. How has mechanization brought a change in agriculture sector? Mechanization in agriculture sector. It brought a great change in occupations. One machine replaced the labor of many workers. They became jobless. But on the other hand, some new occupations like tractor drivers, tube well diggers, mechanics, etc. were created. Question 2. Define White Revolution. How did it bring changes in dairy farming? White Revolution was a movement started by Dr. Vergis Kurian to increase the production of milk and its byproducts. It brought changes in dairy farming by linking all milk producers with the consumers and also by using better strategies and new technologies. Question 3. List 3 ways in which technology has changed our lives. First, technology has made trade easier. Today, we can do business with anyone from any part of the world. Second, technology has expanded the learning process. Even during this COVID scenario, we can easily learn from our homes without any intrusion due to technology advancements. Third, communication is now much easy and instant. We can easily exchange, transfer and provide information through a network. Or question 3. Explain changing trends in occupation in the present times with examples. Changes in present times. Nowadays, occupations like fashion, banking, trade, transport, communication, education, etc. have become popular. Professionals like doctors, engineers, teachers and non-professionals like tailors, bakers, porters, etc. provide useful services in the cities. Question 4. What is dignity of labor? Give an example. Dignity of labor means no work is superior or inferior. All types of occupations are equal and important. For example, Gandhiji used to do all types of work himself, including cleaning of toilets. Question 5. Define gender discrimination. In what ways do the women suffer due to gender discrimination? The wrong attitude of men against women is known as gender discrimination. Women suffer in following ways. They do not get equal share in occupation, education, health facilities, parliament, etc. Also, they are not given the same wages like men. Thank you.